Male seahorses can give birth to hundreds of offspring at once. Did you know that seahorses are one of the few species in which males carry and give birth to their young? Male seahorses have a unique reproductive system that sets them apart from other creatures. Once the eggs are transferred, the male seahorse fertilizes them internally and provides nourishment to the developing embryos. Male seahorses can carry hundreds of embryos at once, making them one of the most prolific fathers in the animal kingdom. The male seahorse's brood pouch provides protection and nourishment to the developing embryos until they are ready to be born. This unique reproductive behavior of male seahorses showcases the diversity and complexity of nature's wonders. Next time you encounter a seahorse, remember the incredible journey these fathers undertake to bring new life into the ocean. Remember to subscribe and like, it's essential to support the channel and help me bring new videos. Thanks and see you in the next video.